In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get native deodorant promo codes. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up native deodorant promo code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website coupon follow. You're gonna click on it. So once you've clicked on the website, you're gonna see many promo codes. So for example, the first one is get 20% off your order. So all you have to do is click on it, and it's going to show you a code, so you can click copy the code. So in this case it's Pearson. Then you're going to click continue to native, which is going to redirect you to their website. Then there you can choose your product from the shop and use this code at checkout, and it's going to give you a 20% off. So as you can see, the last user who used this code saved $11 on their purchase, so you can go ahead and try saving some money. So the next one is get up to 30% off with this promo code, and miss you 10 is the code. So all you have to do is do the same steps, copy and continue to the website. So as you can see, there are many $20 promo code 1, 2 and 3. So let's say one of them doesn't work, you can go ahead and give another one a try. So for example, this one, so this is another one, Rosita, so you can go ahead and give this a try as well. So you can go and see there are many other codes, and you can go and see which one works for you. Now I'm going to head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, I'm going to head over to vthrift.com, and here there are many promo codes as well. So for example, the first one is a 40% off, and you can just click copy the code. It is automatically going to copy, and all you have to do is go to their website and use it at checkout. So there's another one here, 33% off first bestseller pack. So as you can see, the success rate is 100%, so it's surely gonna work. So you can go ahead, copy and use it at checkout. So there are many 100% success rate, so you can go and give all of them a try. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.